बैकलॉग मैनेजमेंट मिसकॉन्सेप्शंस क्या है, कौन कौन से मिसकॉन्सेप्शंस हैं जिनको अवॉइड करना चाहिए? Backlog management is not easy, and we totally agree. The process is quite tedious and time consuming, hence, it is prone to errors. Perhaps listing a few must avoid mistakes may help you to keep the process error free. Here are 5 things you must avoid in product backlog management. Do keep this in mind. Backlog items detailing. Too many details in the backlog might create complexities, while you must not get into the pitfall of writing one liners, intricate details unnecessary. Make sure that you explain it all in a few lines. No prioritization. Understand that you cannot do everything at once. Without Without prioritization, product owners can experience backlog overhead. As a result, you may see an increase in the overall workload of the teams. So, product owners must categorize backlog tasks into short term and long term. It will help them bring the tasks in order of their priority and manage the team's workload too. Then creating separate backlogs. While separate backlogs may seem useful and better, they can be potential challenge for the teams, especially new ones. Too many backlogs can create confusion and increase the burden of managing each one. Then no product vision. Your backlog will lose its direction without a vision and timelines. Also, it will be impossible to prioritize tasks without a vision. So, create a realistic vision is necessary. Then, too many projects. Product owners must try not to get uh, saddled with too many projects at a time. It creates backlog mismanagement as their focus keeps switching from one product project to another.